Now in this tutorial, we're going to also be solving examples where we're going to have to rewrite an expression using the laws of logarithm. Here again are the 4 laws of logarithm that we've been talking about for the previous couple of tutorials. So we're going to be solving examples A and B in example 7. Write in terms of log x to the base A, log y to the base A, and log z to the base A. And so in such case, we're going to have to dissect each logarithm until it becomes in the form of log x, log y, and log z. So let's go ahead and start with part A. It says log x squared y z cubed to the base A. So let's go ahead and dissect it. Here, since they're multiplied, this means that they are in the form of log x squared to the base A. Here, since it's multiplication, then it's going to be addition, which means that that would be log y to the base A plus log z cubed to the base A. Now here, we're still not done yet, since you cannot leave the powers over x and z, which means that here, the power 2 is going to be 2 log x to the base A plus log y to the base A is going to stay the same, plus 3 log z to the base A. And so this would mean that we are done with part A. We have changed it into form of log x, log y, and log z. Now let's go ahead and try and do the same thing for B. It says log x over y cubed to the base A, which means that this would be log x minus log y, since it's a fraction. So that would be log x to the base A, here what it's done, minus log y cubed to the base A. Now this is not done yet, since we have the power 3 that we need to get rid of, and that would be log x to the base A minus 3 log y to the base A, and that would be the end of B.